32-year-old murder suspect Phillip Daniel Ritchie appeared in a Rockingham County courtroom earlier this afternoon for a preliminary hearing. Prosecutors allege that on January 28, 2018, Ritchie used a hatchet and a knife to murder 18-year-old Cole Rinaca at a home on 4th Street in the town of Broadway. An unshaven Ritchie sat in silence with his attorney, Shannon Kite, while investigator Harold Shiflett testified from the witness stand. Shiflett said that after Ritchie was found in an abandoned trailer on Robinson Road, he was taken into custody and read his Miranda rights and agreed to be interviewed by the investigator. Shiflett said Ritchie told him, "I hacked his fucking head." Commonwealth's attorney Marcia Garst entered photos of the alleged murder weapons into evidence. A shocked courtroom listened as the investigator described multiple wounds that Cole Rinaca had on his body from being chopped by the hatchet and stabbed with the knife. He had chop wounds across his body, including on his head and nose, a 3/4-inch linear incision on his neck, just to name a few. A medical examiner found one of the victim's teeth lodged in his esophagus. The official cause of death was sharp force injury of the head and chest. 2 women in the 4th row were crying as the investigator described the victim's various wounds. Investigator Shiflett said when police found the victim's body, he had been wrapped in a blanket and stuffed into a closet. Commonwealth's attorney Marcia Garsh described what happened to the victim as an atrocity. Ritchie is also accused of stealing the vehicle of the victim's grandmother. After a 30-minute hearing, Judge John Hart certified the murder charge and grand larceny to the grand jury, which meets on June 18th. In Harrisonburg, Theo Whitelow for Breaking Through.